Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a brow product that can give you that perfect balance between precision and a natural, soft finish, you're in for a treat today. Let's talk about the BrowGal Soft Touch Powder Pencil in Mocha. This pencil promises to deliver natural-looking, radiant brows that won't smudge or fade throughout the day. Plus, it has a built-in brush to blend everything out seamlessly. So, what's all the hype about? Well, first off, let's dive into the product details. The BrowGal Soft Touch Powder Pencil is an automatic pencil that's powder-based, designed to give you that soft, gradient brow effect. It's got a rich, yet natural color in mocha that works wonders for those with medium to dark hair. It's also formulated with a natural ingredient profile, so if you're conscious about what goes on your skin, this one's definitely worth checking out. Now, onto my personal experience. Incorporating this into my beauty routine was super easy. The pencil glides on smoothly without skipping, and the powder formula doesn't feel too heavy. It's soft and blendable, and once you fill in your brows, it actually stays put. The built-in brush is a game changer, helping me create that perfectly blended gradient look without needing a separate spoolie. I tested this pencil during my usual workday, and let me tell you, it held up. By the time I got home, my brows still looked fresh. No smudging or fading, even after several hours of wearing it. That's a big win in my book. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. The pencil does have a slightly powdery finish, which could be a con if you're after a very sharp sculpted look. It's more for that soft, natural brow, so if you love that clean-cut Instagram brow, this might not be the best choice for you. But for those who appreciate a more natural, effortless look, it's perfect. Now, value for money. The BrowGal pencil is priced a bit higher than drugstore alternatives, but considering its performance and the fact that you get a built-in brush, I think it's worth it. If you're a brow enthusiast who prefers that soft feathered effect and want a product that lasts, this is a solid choice. Comparing this to other brow pencils on the market, I'd say the BrowGal really stands out with the powder formula and the built-in brush. Other pencils I've tried either lack the brush or don't have the same smooth, natural finish. It's also a step up from some pencils that tend to fade or smudge after a few hours. In terms of build quality, this pencil feels solid. It's got a nice weight to it, and the automatic twist-up mechanism works smoothly without any hiccups. I've had no issues with it breaking or getting too messy, which is a plus for a product that gets daily use. If you're looking for a similar product but want to keep the budget a little lower, there are some great drugstore options like the NYX Micro Brow Pencil or the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer that also give good results, though they won't give you the same gradient effect as the BrowGal. To wrap it up, the BrowGal Soft Touch Powder Pencil is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a natural, soft brow look that stays put all day. If you like to keep your brows looking effortlessly chic and don't mind splurging a bit, this is definitely worth a try. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find it too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.